Everybody, welcome back to another New Squad video. Guys, we are checking out from scratch Miniverse. This is going to be part 1. We have the appliances, make it mini food, and lots of other miniatures. So let's unbox the make it from scratch and see which one we got. Looks like we're going to be doing a cake. Super cute candles, OMG, and excuse the nails. Those are so adorable. This is the cake mix, super cute. And this is a rubber cake sheet. We could use that with air dry clay. And that is the happy birthday stuff here. It looks like a nice little bowl. These little tables are getting way shorter, I think. Okay, so what is this? This is probably the resin. Oh my gosh, vegetable oil. That is so cute and super easy to open. Loving that. What is in this one? It feels heavy. Okay, so this is the frosting, whipped frosting. So there are 2 different types of hardenings. I really like the vegetable oil soup. Are cute, and I love these bowls. OMG, look at that. Nice and ceramic, super big, super cute. Lots of ingredients with this one. This was super big, so I'm glad we got some nice little pieces for the kitchen. And this is probably a spoon. Let's cut it like a little baggie so we can reuse it in DIY projects. Okay, our tongs and an adorable spatula. And I love the tissue paper. We could so repurpose that along with the bags. All right, so we're going to start part 1. And this is what it's supposed to look like. Okay, so we have all of our ingredients. We need the vegetable oil and the powder. Then we're going to put the frosting on the sides, put on the hardware, candles, and that's about it. Here are some of the other ones. I really like the round birthday cake. Okay, so let's get started. We never use the bowl because it's always too cute, and the spatula. But let's go ahead and get mixing our foundation, which again could be used as air dried clay. I love the vegetable oil. OMG, I have to look at the ingredients. Let's put this up, guys. This gets thick really fast. I don't know how even we're going to be able to make this. OMG. This gets thick really quick. But we are going to dry this, and part 2 is coming up, guys.